Dear viewers, the topic which we will discuss today is Afghanistan more important than Kashmir? It's a big question, and this question has got an impetus because of the fact that on December 19, OIC 57 member OIC is holding a meeting in Islamabad, foreign ministers meeting in Islamabad to exclusively discuss the Afghan issue. And it was the initiative which was taken by Saudi Arabia, but Pakistan offered to host the OIC meeting in Islamabad on December 19. And the focus particularly will be Afghanistan. Now, Pakistan has suffered a lot because of Afghanistan, although some people have benefited materially as a result of the Afghan jihad, as a result of 9/11 and post 9/11 events. But the fact is that the state of Pakistan, while offering a foreign ministers meeting in Islamabad on Afghanistan, has forgotten Kashmir. The meeting should have been called on Kashmir, because the manner in which the Indian forces have brutally tried to suppress the Kashmiri freedom movement, the manner in which the Modi regime has annexed Kashmir. August 5th, 2019, Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act. The special status of Jammu and Kashmir, Article 370, 35A gone. And the Muslims Valley of Kashmir, the beleaguered population of the Valley of Kashmir, they have been suffering since lockdown, since August 2019, lockdown, curfew, humiliation, extrajudicial killings, and Pakistan has not done anything about it, just merely rhetoric and trying to basically argue that Afghanistan is more important. I think it's very unfair. The OIC special session should have been held on Kashmir, exclusively on Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir. But then Pakistan knows very well that it cannot confront India, because India has decided that it will not compromise as far as reversing August 5th, 2019 acts concerned. So Pakistan has given up. It's very clear. And certainly had Pakistan tried to, the second thing is, had Pakistan tried to call a meeting, OIC meeting exclusively on Jammu and Kashmir in Islamabad, then it wouldn't have been able to get the support from OIC. Saudi Arabia wouldn't have supported, UAE wouldn't have supported, Egypt wouldn't have supported, other countries wouldn't have supported. So it means that Pakistan has failed in its diplomacy to get proper international support on Jammu and Kashmir. So this is something which disturbs those, those people who are genuinely interested in supporting the legitimate movement of the people of Jammu and Kashmir for emancipation, and the manner in which India has tried to ruthlessly and brutally suppress the Kashmiris, the Muslim Kashmiris of the valley of occupied Kashmir. So therefore it seems that Pakistan has given up Kashmir, only ceremonial. The Kashmir committee hasn't done anything substantial. Pakistan has not taken any firm stand, has not tried to use its nuclear weapons, nuclear power capability in order to deter India with Jammu and Kashmir. So it seems that Kashmir is gone, and now Pakistan wants Afghanistan, and it wants Afghanistan. It has paid price of Afghanistan, that by giving shelter to more than 3 million people of Afghanistan. And look at how the Afghans have been ungrateful. As far as Pakistan is concerned, doesn't mean that if there is a Taliban government in Afghanistan, it will be supportive to Pakistan. No. When they were in power, Pakistan 1996, 2001, so Pakistan requested them to accept the Durrand Line. They refused. So Pakistan is committing a big mistake by again involving itself in the affairs of Afghanistan and neglecting the genuine issue of Jammu and Kashmir. Thank you very much.